Hey everyone, I'm back with a new video and today's video is about molecular mass. How you can calculate molecular mass of any molecule. So, in last video we have discussed about how you can write and name any chemical compound. If you have not seen that video, you just go in my playlist and you can watch. So, this is Nisha Chauhan and you're watching Scienceaholic. So if you have not subscribed this channel yet, please subscribe and press the bell icon for notification. So let's start the children. Molecular mass. And ये molecular mass class 8 and 9 के बच्चों के लिए है. 10 के बच्चे भी देख सकते हैं जिनका बेसिक क्लियर नहीं है and वो समझना चाहते हैं. So let's start. Molecular mass. Sum of the atomic masses of all the atoms in a molecule. किसी भी molecule में जितने भी atoms होते हैं उनके atoms का atomic mass का addition it's called molecular mass. चलिए इसको एक example के थ्रू समझते हैं. Suppose आपकी family में 4 members हैं. अब उनके सारे वेट ऐड करिए, लास्ट में जो टोटल वेट मिलेगा आपकी फैमिली का दैट इज द मॉलिक्यूलर मास ऑफ योर फैमिली. दिस वे यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड. एंड इफ यू वांट टू कैलकुलेट मॉलिक्यूलर मास, फर्स्ट यू शुड एटलीस्ट लर्न 1 to 20 एलिमेंट्स एटॉमिक मासेस. आपको एटलीस्ट 1 to 20 के एटॉमिक मासेस आपको लर्न करने ही हैं एंड बियॉन्ड 20 आपको एग्जाम में गिवन होते हैं. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. Calculate the molecular masses of given methane, ethane, ammonia and nitric acid. So these are the 4 example. Let's take example of methane first. So molecular formula masses of methane. So कितने एटम्स है चिल्ड्रन इसमें? इस मीथेन में कितने एटम है? 1 इज कार्बन एंड 4 इज हाइड्रोजन. सो फॉर्मूला क्या होगा? 1 into एटॉमिक मास ऑफ कार्बन प्लस 4 हाइड्रोजन है. सो 4 into एटॉमिक मास ऑफ हाइड्रोजन. सो दिस इज द फॉर्मूला. लेट्स पुट द वैल्यूज. 1 into atomic mass of carbon is 12. Write 12 here. Plus 4 into atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. So write 1. Now 12 ones are 12. Plus 4. So the answer will be 16. And this is unit of this molecular mass. So it's atomic mass unit and it is very important to write at the end of your answer. So now let's take ethane. Ethane का लेते हैं children. So molecular mass of ethane. How many atoms are there in this ethane? 6 इसके, 2 इसके, total 8. Let's write the formula. 2 into atomic mass of carbon plus 6 into atomic mass of hydrogen. Now put the values. Equal to 2 into atomic mass of carbon is 12. हम राउंड फिगर में ही लेते हैं. So 12 आएगा. Then 6 into atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. Now 12 to the 24 plus 6. So the answer will be 30 unit. This is the answer for second. Now let's take example. Third, it's ammonia or NH3. So let's write the formula. How many atoms are there is in this NH3? 1 and 3, 4. Total 4. So 1 into atomic mass of nitrogen plus 3 into atomic mass of hydrogen. Now put the values. 1 into atomic mass of nitrogen. Let's see from here. 14.01. So we will take only 14. 14 लेते हैं. Plus 3 into atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. So the answer will be 14 plus 3 equals to 17 unit. It's atomic mass unit. So this is the answer for ammonia. Now let's take last one. That is HNO3. So how many atoms are there? 1 is hydrogen and second is nitrogen and third 3 of oxygen. So total 5. So let's write 1 into atomic mass of hydrogen plus 1 into atomic mass of nitrogen plus 3 into atomic mass of oxygen. So let's put the values. 1 into atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. 1 into atomic mass of nitrogen, it's 14. And 3 into oxygen, it's 15.99. We will take 16. Now let's calculate. 1 plus 14 ones are 40 plus 48. So the answer will be 15 plus 48. And answer is 63 atomic mass unit. So this is all the 4 molecules we have calculated. So this is for all today. Find this video helpful. Please share and subscribe. Thank you.